Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh.
Yeah, I see the flag.
You know Bangladesh?
Yes, of course. I was in Bangladesh 5 years
5 years you are in Bangladesh. Where did you live so?
because my family live here.
In Bangladesh?
Yeah, no. In Israel.
You come to Bangladesh again?
You like Israel?
No, absolutely no. I love Palestine.
Yes.
No, wait, wait.
Bangladesh.
Shalom. You know Bangladesh?
Yes, yes, I know. No,
What do you know about Bangladesh?
nothing. Nothing.
Where are you from?
Israel.
Is it in this planet or in Neptune, Pluto? Where is it? Where is it? Free Palestine. I am in your country for visiting.
What you visit?
Like I'm exploring
Where in the city?
in Tel Aviv.
In Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv not good. It's many gays.
Oh my God. So where do you want me to go for getting refreshment?
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem, but I'm Muslim. Probably I will have to face a lot of interrogation by the IDF.
No, not problem.
But I've been to 3 hospitals in Tel Aviv. Try to check out if there is still peace alive or not. There is no peace. Everything been spoiled by IDF, by Israeli occupation. Hi.
What's up, bro?
Good, bro. Are you in the IDF?
Yeah.
Nice. So, bro, I got really so shocked today.
Go.
Look, I was speaking with an IDF, but initially they started speaking like a crap.
Bro, we want only protect our country, our people, and ourselves. It's all. We don't start this war. They start the war. Hamas start the war in 7 October. They arrest a woman. They go to Festival of Music of Nova. They kill everyone. They arrest a baby, children, women. They taking hostages to Gaza. We don't start it. We don't want it.
You do nothing?
No.
But can you show me some video footage that how is killing babies and raping the babies?
Go to Telegram. If you want to see it, go to Telegram. I'm not a journalist.
Until you show any video footage, I'm not gonna believe this.
Go to the media of Hamas in Telegram. You know it?
No.
They have a group in Telegram. More than 1 million subscribers in this chain.
Telegram?
7 October, don't remember, but in 7 October they publish many video and picture from the 7 October.
I actually didn't see anything about it, but I would say every single day I see many Palestinians are being killed by IDF. They are dying in starvation. So only because of you guys.
So I have a question for you. Okay, if I can say one thing to you in War Pro, in all the history, in the war of everyone, from the World War to today's war in Gaza, the civilian people always we have a die. A die is very sad in the civilian people and not only military. Okay, well it's sad, but it's war. In Gaza when we attack, we only want to attack the terrorists of Hamas, but the terrorists of Hamas using the people of human shield. It's not the shame of the army. It's the shame of Hamas. It's different, the
No.
situation in Gaza.
I think you just only say to the people we invade in such area where Hamas is remaining and you try to destroy that place. But many schools, hospitals and civilian house were destroyed by your bombing, by your missile.
You know, who behind it in the school and mosque and all of you imagine the terrorists of Hamas in the school, in hospital, in everything you can imagine. It's not. I say to you before. It's not our shame of the IDF. It's the shame of Hamas. If I using until today the people like human shield, it's not the shame of IDF. It's only the responsibility.
That's why you want to destroy that school, that hospital, that civilian house.
We want to defend our country. I say you before also, we defend our country.
You are defending your country by the innocent. That doesn't make sense, bro.
We don't want to kill anyone.
I see that.
We want to kill the terrorists of Hamas.
No, I think
And we want
no.
all is well. But I need to go. I need to go. I need to take off my phone. And I wish you only good thing.
Thank you. But I also wish you good and free Palestine, all I can say. Nothing else.